Hello everybody, I hope you are enjoying all the amazing sessions of Mission Appraisal 2024 by Learnbay and I hope you are getting insights from it. Welcome to yet another amazing session. My name is Pritesh and I'll be telling you today about resume building. Well, now that you have made up your mind that you're going for a job change, it is very important that you have a very amazing resume in place. Your resume is your identity. It is going to be your introduction before you approach the company. It is your resume that is going to be the first thing that goes to the HR. There are many tools that the HR use to shortlist the resume, and Learnbay is happy to help you at every single step so that your resume stands out. I'm very proud to let you know that Learnbay is happily going to help all of you absolutely free of cost to build an amazing resume. Do reach out to us at www.learnbay.co for more information and connect with the counselors. Always remember, this service of helping you with your resume is absolutely free only by Learnbay. Also guys, when I talk about your resume, it is very important for you to first know what your resume should be like. What information it should have, what information it should not have. It should have a brief introduction of yourself, which tells that what kind of an employee are you. It should have all your work experience, your educational qualifications, your achievements. That's it. Putting too much of information, putting too less of information is going to look really bad and make your resume look overcrowded and shabby. You can also include some of your skills, some of your extracurricular skills that maybe somebody who can speak 7 languages. So you can mention that in your resume. Some extra hobbies that you have, say you play some sports or you are good in cooking or gardening, that also you can include. Some professional achievements like you were the employee of the month or the employee of the year or the best employee, anything like that if you have, make sure that you put it on your resume. Basically, you have to sell yourself. So for selling yourself as a product, your resume should have everything that is required. All the key features, any kind of certifications that you have completed. First and foremost, it is very important that you keep your resume absolutely authentic, and also your resume should be up to date. It should be updated and it should be completely genuine. All the information should be completely genuine. So when I talk about that, it's very important for you to also know the do's and the don'ts. What are the do's about your resume? So your resume should have your introduction, your work experience, educational qualifications, which includes all the kinds of certifications that you have obtained, all the different types of competitions that you have participated in. It should have all your achievements in place, like your awards, recognitions, any kind of references, etc. And it should have your skills and extracurricular skills as well, your hobbies, etc. Right? Then what it should not have: more than required personal information, more than required information. Like for example, if you come with a 20 years of experience and you have worked in 9 different companies, you don't have to put your responsibilities of every single company. Just a 2-liner is more than enough. Don't make your resume overcrowded. Don't make your resume very flashy. Don't make your resume very colorful. Right? So that is what you should not do on your resume. The next is that helpful tools. So there are many tools available on the internet today that will help you to design a perfect resume, but what we are giving you is completely free of cost resume building service, which means our experts at Learnbay are ready to make a resume for you completely free of cost. All you need to do is visit www.learnbay.co, connect with the counselors, and we'll be happy to help. Right? So with that guys, resume building again is a very important component when you're looking for a job change. Even before you start looking out, your resume should be in place. I hope this was insightful. I'll be seeing you day after tomorrow with yet another very important part of Mission Appraisal 2024. I hope this was helpful. If this was, make sure that you share it with everybody whom you know. Right? And until we meet next, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.